When it comes to device repair, using quality parts can make or break a device's longevity, so it's important to know what you're getting. I'm Gary, and this is uBreakiFix Learn. We make it our business to know the differences between quality parts and cheaper Band-Aid parts. Let's start with the two types of parts you're going to encounter when trying to repair a device. First up, let's talk about OEM parts. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. So when we put an OEM screen on your Samsung phone, it's the exact same quality screen as the one you took home on the day you bought your device. The second part classification is aftermarket, or third-party parts. These parts are made to approximate OEM specs, but they are not made by the original manufacturer, and they do not meet all of the same standards. Unsurprisingly, OEM parts consistently outperform the aftermarket parts in all the tests. While aftermarket parts may be close enough, they certainly don't meet the same build quality as OEM. There were particularly big differences in things like polarization. On aftermarket screens, from certain angles, while wearing sunglasses, your screen could appear completely black, and you definitely don't want that. We also noticed a lot more variation in aftermarket parts, while OEM parts are very consistent from part to part. Our partnerships with Samsung and Google allow us to offer certified OEM parts that other repair providers can't. In instances where OEM partnerships do not exist, we evaluate and test every part we offer to ensure the highest quality is used in every repair. At the end of the day, we want our customers to experience the same quality and performance they had when their device was brand spanking new, and we want to keep it that way. Thanks for watching.